Welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen, or ladies and germs. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the LS2. It's the Valiant 2, which is weird. The LS2 Valiant 2. Why did they name their company LS2 if they're going to be... I don't know. Anyway, my name is Sam. Welcome. Be sure to subscribe. Do your thing. Alright, let's just dive into it. Once you open up the bag here, you got this little helmet backpack, which I've never seen a helmet backpack. This is pretty sweet. It says LS2 helmets on it. It's got this little zipper here. Is there anything inside it? Nothing there. Maybe you can put stuff in it. I don't know what kind of passports or whatever. Got this sweet zipper. I've never opened up anything like this. This is new to me. This is also my first helmet. I bought a Himalayan the other day. Then it comes in this other little carrying caravel thingy? Helmet bag, okay? LS2. Then another layer of protection. This is sweet. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this in person. So just this little, oh. So I got a small, I don't have a big head. Ooh, I don't want to get scratched up. Okay, so it has this little easy deal here that just slides in there. That's nice, that's nifty. It's a pretty simple unboxing here. I don't know if I'm supposed to do more than just unbox it, or do I talk about it? I think the main reason I got it was because of this one feature, and I'll show you here if I can figure it out. Whenever you do the sun visor, make sure not to pull it down, but to use this little doohickey. That's just a little side note. How do I lift it up? Okay, so there's this button right underneath here. Check this out. This is pretty sick. You push this button and then swoop. Then it turns into 3/4. So I'm gonna try this on. Hopefully it fits well. I'm gonna be ticked if it doesn't. Okay. This is good. Size is important when it comes to your helmet. Also comes with these stickers, I guess. No heat. Heat is bad. And then LS2 sticker. This says fresh micro. We'll go ahead and take this film off the visor. I'm pretty pumped about this because I ended up buying my bike before I bought my helmet. Big no-no. And I've been kind of just like cruising around town without it. So this swings over and then it makes it a full face. Gosh, this is neat. I've never seen technology like this in my hands, so up front, up close, that I get to actually utilize. Uh-oh, did I just break it? This concludes my open boxing of the Valiant 2, LS2. I guess I'll move on to my next box. This right here is some gloves, and I guess you'll have to watch this video. It'll be separate.